What do you think we should do today, Luna? I can't tell. But there must be something we can do. I've got an idea! What idea? We can fly! Good idea! Thanks, Luna. So the two flew into the sky, high and low, and going with the flow, looking at the sun and looking below as they flew in the air. They were so happy that nothing could ruin this magnificent day. They kept flying and flying and flying all day long, and they never stopped. But when it was time to eat, they were hungry, very hungry. Finally, time to eat! Yeah, I really want to see what's in there to eat that our mother packed for us. I mean, my mother. True that, Tulip. Wow, peanut butter sandwiches, caramel apples, pizza, candy, all those. Oh, wow! My mommy packed a lot for us, Luna. True that, too. So the two ate their delicious, scrumptious food, and they ate so much that they had a fever for eating. So they ate and ate and ate and ate until they got full. Then they decided to go back home. Wow, Luna, that was a great lunch. Isn't that true? Yes, really, Tulip. Well, Luna, I will see you later. I had a fun picnic with you, and I hope we get to have another one where the sun shines and the grass is green and all the leaves are green and hey, Tulip, slow down for me, please. Okay. Bye, Luna. Bye, Tulip. So, the two went to their homes. Luna went back to her own fairy world, while Tulip went back to her house to see her dad, her little annoying sister, Tyler, her mother, and her best of all annoying brother, Tom. They all had a fun time at the picnic, and hopefully they will see each other again. The end.